Welcome Colortoon Paradise. Today drawing simple and cute giraffe.
Simple giraffe drawing. Draw the body. Start with the head, draw a rounded shape with a gentle curve for the mouth. Add the neck, draw two long curved lines going down from the head. Draw the legs and tail. Add 4 straight legs with a slight curve. Draw small ovals at the bottom of the legs for feet. Draw the face. Add closed eyes with curved lines for a calm look. Draw 2 short horns ossicones and small ears on top of the head. Add a small nose dot. Decorate the body. Draw large oval and circle spots along the neck, back, and legs. Cute giraffe drawing. Draw the body. Start with a large round head. Add the neck and a small curved body. Draw 4 legs, slightly thicker with rounded hooves. Add a small tail at the back. Draw the face. Big, wide eyes with sparkle highlight circles inside. Add eyelashes, a small nose, and a smiling mouth. Add ears and cute little horns on top. Include small decorative circles on the cheeks. Decorate the body. Draw multiple small round spots all over the neck and body. Add tiny bumps or shapes along the neck.
Thank you for watching the